Did you know your brain can be incredibly busy while you sleep? It is not simply shutting down for the night. In fact, certain parts of your brain become even more active during sleep than when you are awake. This might seem strange at first. We often think of sleep as a time of complete rest and inactivity for our entire body. However, the brain has a crucial set of tasks to perform during these quiet hours. It is a period of intense internal work, essential for our well-being and daily functioning. Understanding this activity is the first step to appreciating the true power of sleep. One fascinating aspect of nighttime brain activity is the process of memory consolidation. During the day, we gather countless new experiences and pieces of information. Our brain temporarily stores these memories. Then, while we sleep, the brain diligently works to sort through them. It decides which memories are important enough to keep and strengthens them. This process is like a librarian organizing new books onto shelves, ensuring they're easy to find later. Without this nightly organization, our memories would be jumbled and much harder to recall, impacting our learning and overall cognitive abilities significantly over time. Furthermore, our brain engages in a critical cleaning process during sleep. Think of it like a maintenance crew working overnight in a busy city. Throughout the day, as our brain cells work hard, they produce waste products. These byproducts can accumulate and, if not cleared, can be harmful. Sleep provides the opportunity for the brain to flush out these toxins. One such toxin is beta amyloid, which has been linked to Alzheimer's disease. So a good night's sleep is literally helping to keep your brain healthy and clear of damaging substances. This heightened activity isn't uniform across the entire night or across all sleep stages. Different stages of sleep, such as REM, rapid eye movement sleep, and deep sleep, are associated with distinct patterns of brain activity. For example, REM sleep is when we typically have vivid dreams, and our brain activity can look surprisingly similar to when we are awake and alert. Deep sleep, on the other hand, is crucial for physical restoration and that important memory consolidation we discussed. Each stage plays a unique role in the brain's nightly symphony of essential tasks, all contributing to our mental and physical health. The brain's increased activity at night is driven by a complex interplay of biological and psychological factors. Biologically, our internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, plays a central role. This rhythm governs our sleep-wake cycle over roughly 24 hours. As evening approaches, the circadian rhythm signals the brain to prepare for sleep. This involves the release of hormones like melatonin, which helps induce drowsiness. However, this preparation for sleep doesn't mean the brain is powering down. Rather, it's shifting gears for its nighttime duties, a different kind of active state. Psychologically, the decrease in external stimuli at night allows the brain to focus inward. During the day, our brains are constantly bombarded with information from our senses, sights, sounds, smells, and interactions. This requires a lot of processing power. When these external demands lessen at night, the brain has more resources available for internal processes. This includes emotional regulation, where the brain works through the day's emotional experiences. It's a time for sorting feelings and reducing the intensity of emotional memories, which is vital for our mental equilibrium and resilience. One key reason for heightened specific brain activity is the need for restoration and repair. Neurons, the brain's communication cells, work hard all day. Sleep provides a crucial period for these cells to repair themselves and for neural pathways to be strengthened or pruned. This maintenance is vital for optimal brain function the next day. Think of it as a workshop where tools are sharpened and machinery is serviced overnight, ensuring everything runs smoothly when the workday begins again. This biological imperative ensures our cognitive machinery remains in top condition. Moreover, the unique chemical environment of the sleeping brain facilitates different types of thinking. For instance, during REM sleep, the brain experiences a decrease in certain neurotransmitters like noradrenaline, which is associated with focus and attention. This altered neurochemical state might allow for more creative and associative thinking, which is why we sometimes wake up with new insights or solutions to problems. The brain is essentially exploring connections it might not make when constrained by the logical, focused demands of wakefulness, leading to novel ideas and perspectives. Comparing daytime and nighttime brain activity reveals two distinct operational modes. During the day, our brain is in an external focus mode. It processes sensory input, makes decisions, and executes tasks. This state is supported by neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine, At night, the brain transitions into an internal focus mode. Memory consolidation becomes a priority. Emotional processing areas like the amygdala are highly active during REM sleep. Improved memory, emotional stability, and cellular repair are direct outcomes. Without sufficient sleep, cognitive functions suffer. The key is ensuring sufficient quality sleep to allow these processes to unfold fully. Harnessing our brain's nighttime activity can improve sleep quality and daytime productivity. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. This supports natural hormone rhythms, like melatonin. Consistency is key. Create a relaxing pre-sleep routine. Dim lights and avoid screens an hour before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin. Opt for calming activities like reading or a warm bath. Signal your brain to wind down. Ensure a sleep-friendly environment. Your bedroom should be dark, quiet, and cool. Darkness is essential for melatonin. Noise can disrupt sleep stages. A cool room temperature aids sleep. Invest in blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine. Daytime habits impact sleep. Regular exercise improves sleep, but avoid intense workouts before bed. Limit caffeine and alcohol intake. Support your brain's night shift with good choices. Wake up refreshed, ready for a productive day.